Tiani's back with Tiani's Vlogs. And we're still here for Nature Park Part 2. We're nature vlogging.
So we're going to be doing the trail. This is going to be part 2.
Yep. The trail's probably going to be Part 3. It's going to be the last one, so.
We're taking a break because we've never been racing a lot. We're doing a lot of parkour stuff.
Yeah, we were doing like
Minecraft parkour.
Yeah. So, stay tuned for Part 3 and keep on watching this video. So, see you later.
Throw my dollar, throw my makeup.
Bruh. Okay, so we're back. We are going to the trail. So, yeah, we're going. So we're gonna stop when we get there. For part 3. Yeah. It's like right. Let me cut the video here.
Hey, YouTube.
Okay, so we're back and we're almost there. It's like right there. So, I want to tell you guys what's going to be coming out. Some first-person Nerf videos and Sky Wars.
Tomorrow at the family reunion.
Tomorrow we'll have come out with a water balloon fight. And
Yeah, you'll probably get to see me as well recording as well. So stay tuned for that.
and you're going to see some gaming videos too. Off of Minecraft and off of Neon Kitty's YouTube channel too. So stay tuned for that. Here's a little view for you.
Don't drop your phone. Do not drop your phone.
Okay, that was a risk of me dropping my phone. So guys better like the video for that. Alright, so we're heading down the nature trail.
Mimi, wait. Mimi. I didn't do anything to you.
We're heading down a nature trail. Stay tuned for part 3.